You just found the 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5. Performance with panache. That's what this striking Ioniq 5 delivers. Silky smooth power, connected tech, and standout styling come together beautifully in this stunning EV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, navigation system, satellite radio, premium sound system, power liftgate, heated mirrors, dual zone AC. Connect with your love of the journey in this tech-forward Ioniq 5. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.